Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can unblock camera on Omegle. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so in order to unblock camera on Omegle, now on the top right, in the search bar we have this camera icon. So simply tap on that and then check it to continue allowing omegle.com. And here you can see it says Omegle wants to use your camera and use your microphone. So just click on allow and your camera will be unblocked. But in the case if it's still the same, then go to your Chrome settings and in the left side menu tap on privacy and security. Scroll down and tap on site settings and go to camera. Now simply select side scan as to use the camera and you're done. Now go back to Omegle and reload the page, and this time you will not face any kind of issue. So that's all for today's video. I hope this tutorial helps you out. Thanks so much for watching.